Hello friends, welcome. We have to solve this equation. We have been given 3 to the power of 2x plus 1 minus of 3 power x plus 3 minus 3 power x plus 3 square equal to 0. One way of solving this problem is to convert this into a quadratic equation so that we can use splitting the middle terms or factorization, and we can find out the factors. Thereby we can find out the value of x, or we can solve for x. So whenever we have 3 power 2x plus 1, we have in the form of a power x. Always we'll try to find out which I have to take it as another variable. Now I can see 3 power x. I can write this whole thing as whole equation in terms of 3 power x. So I'll go ahead and say that 3 power x is equal to t. Three power x equal to t. Then we'll try to convert the given equation in terms of t. For that, my first step will be 3 power 2x plus 1 is equal to 3 power 2x into 3 minus 3 power x plus 3 is equal to 3 power x into 3 cube minus 3 power x as it is plus 3 square equal to 0. Now we have to understand that if 3 power x equal to t, 3 power x whole square or 3 power 2x is equal to t square. So our next step will be 3 power 2x is t square. So can I say 3 into t square, 3t square minus 3 cube is 27, 3 power x is t, 27t minus 1 more 3 power x, that means minus t, plus 3 square, which is equal to 9. Now this is a quadratic equation, you can see. So it's all depends upon how you convert the variable into another variable. Now 3t square minus, actually I can take factorization here itself. Now if you divide this into two groups, the first two terms I can take 3t common, it will be t minus 9 minus of, I can take 1 common, minus 1, it will be again t minus 9 equal to 0. So the given equation I can write it as now 3t minus 1 into t minus 9 is equal to 0. So one solution will be 3t minus 1 equal to 0. Another solution will be t minus 9 equal to 0 or t equal to 9. But what is t? T is 3 power x. And how I can write in terms of 3? Can I say 3 square? Therefore, one value of x is x equal to 2. Similarly, 3t equal to 1. That means t equal to 1 by 3. Or can I say 3 power x, t is 3 power x, 1 by 3 is 3 power minus 1. That means the other solution x is equal to minus 1. So the values of x which satisfies this equation or the solution of this equation is x equal to 2 or x equal to minus 1. We can substitute these values in the given equation and we can check. There is another way of solving it where we will not convert this into quadratic equation. We'll try to factorize this. Let's do how to do that. Let's see. In the second method, we will try to factorize given equation. For that, what we will do, we'll write it one more time. We'll say 3 power 2x plus 1 minus of 3 power x plus 3 minus of 3 power x plus 3 square equal to 0. What we will do, first we will start with the last two terms and we will take 3 square common, minus 3 square let us say. So what is left out if I take 3 square common? I will have minus 1 here, because minus 3 square into minus 1 is plus 3 square. And from x, if I have taken 2, I will be having 3 power x minus 2. Now we will come back to the first two terms, and we will see what I need to take common so that I will get 1. You know that you have to take the second term common. So it will be 3 power x plus 3 into bracket. Now I know if I am taking 3 power x plus 3, this will be 1. And you will also cross check that 3 power x plus 3 into 3 power x minus 2 is equal to 3 power 2x plus 1. So I can write it as 3 power x minus 2 minus 1. So this is nothing but 3 power x plus 3 minus 3 square into 3 power x minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. If you take them separately, can I say 3 power x plus 3 is equal to 3 square, one solution. Another one is 3 power x minus 2 equal to 1. 1 is nothing but 3 power 0. Now the bases are equal, so the powers should be equal. Therefore x minus 2 equal to 0 or x equal to 2. Similarly here the bases are equal, and we are equating left hand side to right hand side, so the powers should be equal. X plus 3 is equal to 2 or x equal to 2 minus 3, that's equal to minus 1. So that's the same solution we got earlier. So we can solve it in two ways. One, we can convert into a quadratic equation, that is more easier way of doing it, and the other way is we can just factorize the given equation and we can find out the solution. So I'll catch you once again with another interesting example. This is one of the SAT problem. Thanks for your time and support. Bye for now.